Back here at home with a long-awaited Baylor season opener, Waco's finally in the game day spirit. Fox 44's Cameron Stewart went down to Tailgate Central this afternoon to see how Baylor fans are preparing for the first game. Cameron, what was the scene like?
Well, Noelle, it's finally official. The 2020 football season has begun, and that means Saturdays are for the tailgates. While Baylor canceled their official tailgates for the year due to COVID-19 concerns, the fans are still keeping the party going.
It's good to be in the shadow of the stadium, even if the stadium's not full.
Ticket or not, Baylor fans still came out today to tailgate the long-awaited season opener. While Baylor canceled all their official tailgates for the 2020 season, fans like Matthew Douglas and Ryan King have been doing this for almost a decade, and they weren't going to be stopped this year.
This is the time of the year that I look forward to. Just because of the way schedules are and stuff, like, we'd like to visit each other, and we try to during the summer, but just with kids and school and all the different schedule changes, this is the one time of the year that we actually can get together.
Of course, with anything in 2020, the tailgating comes with extra precautions.
We went and bought a thermometer so we can check people's temperatures and that, just to be as safe as possible, and making sure we got enough hand sanitizer on hand. And
hand sanitizer, nitrile gloves, a lot of single-serving utensils, plates, everything. Try to pre-measure everything with the food as well.
Brad NEVIL is a lifelong Baylor fan, but he knew he needed to step up his tailgate game a few years ago when his son was considering going to TCU. And did he ever step it up?
We decided that we were going to just take it to the next level. And so we put a permanent tent in, and then I purchased a tiny home, and I put a tiny home in. And so it stays here permanently, and we just enjoy it during the football. I think we're going to come down here probably even away games and just come down here and celebrate and tailgate.
For any good tailgate, a vital factor is what's on the menu.
When it's a night game, you got to think about snacking during the day, and on today's menu, smoked queso.
It's exciting. It feels like it's a little bit of a step back to normalcy, and we're excited to just be able to do things in a responsible way, but to have another step towards a more normal experience.
For tailgaters going to the game, safety is of no concern.
Baylor's doing it in a responsible way, and I'm going to be with my family. So I have no concerns about the safety issues.
And now just to clear things up, Brad NEVIL's son did decide on Baylor over TCU, so pretty good there. Live in the studio, I'm Cameron Stewart, Fox 44 News.